couple little clips on this one as well for me. Alright. Yeah. We ready to kick it off, Mr. V? I want my drink, my mind is big up Jenna Roots on this one. We're gonna take out the vocals and we're gonna give you some live performance. Sip my bite of coca. Rehydrate the brain and thing, you know? Alright. This one dedicated to the legend, Sister Nancy. Hey. When they sing, one thing Zulu don't overstand. One thing Zulu don't overstand. From which I don't know already, now got to know again. From which I don't know already, now got to know again. Hey, them not like when you wanna like them. So we now buy love and we never big friend, right? Might be there on weekends, skating and nice women in the deep end. Where we all my roots for leaking. When I never had food, I said for eating. Try speaking, now they see me peeking. One thing Zulu, the overstand. Might go soon down, I go Japan. Might go Melbourne, I go my Lamba. Anywhere I go, my team goes to plan. On my jam and I hold the microphone stand. Turn up the temperature and hold the tan. Hey, to them to know, I don't overstand. One thing Zulu don't comprehend. One thing Zulu can't comprehend. From where to know already, no got to know again. From where to know already, no got to know again. One thing Zulu don't understand. One thing Zulu can't understand. From where to know already, no got to know again. From where to know already, no got to know again. Brixton, bam. What a bam bam. Bam 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 bam. What a bam bam. Bring that one down, Mr. V. What else you got for me, selector? You're tuned into the sounds of Mr. V sound. Live from the Brixton ground, where the streetwear can be found. As we warm up, the return of Jah Messenger, cause we're back like we never left forward. Yo. Jah Messenger, similar long like predator. Word to my mom and my aunt Jennifer. Original, there's not one similar. King in the land down familiar. Time to return back of Basilia. One down Europe and America. Car is the return of Jah Messenger. The return of Jah Messenger. Similar long like predator. Word to my mom and my aunt Jennifer. Original, there's not one similar.